Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew and in today's video we're doing a review of a micro HDMI to HDMI cable. Hope you enjoy today's video. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. Today we're talking about a micro HDMI to HDMI cable. For those of you who are new, I have been upgrading all of my equipment over the past year, and one of those is the camera that you're watching right now, which is the Sony a6100. And in order to get this video from the camera to the computer, I am using the Camlink 4K capture card. And in order to do that, I have to use a micro HDMI to HDMI cable, which then connects into the Camlink 4K, which is a HDMI input to USB. This way, I can get the footage from my camera in real time to be able to do live streaming, which is also a good way to be able to do direct recording as well to your computer. It saves you a lot of hassle when it comes to the fact of having a large SD card on your camera itself and then doing your recording and then having to take it off of the tripod, or in my case off of the mount, to be able to retrieve the SD card, then put an adapter on my computer to plug in the SD card and then transfer everything. And then once it's done transferring, put it back into the camera to put it back onto the mount. So using the HDMI out on the camera to be able to go directly into the Camlink 4K capture card is a lot easier. The cable that I am using is great. It's inexpensive, it's fairly long, and it is heavy duty. There are many cords out there when you get the micro HDMI to HDMI cables that are very thin and flimsy, and they look like they would be very easy to break. This one, on the other hand, is fairly thick and strong. It's also about 4 foot long. That way I can also move my camera should I need to and still be connected to the computer. If I was to give this a rating between 1 and 5 stars, or 1 to 10, I would give it a 10 out of 10 or a 5-star rating, because it is inexpensive, it is heavy duty, and it works great for HDMI to micro HDMI capabilities for live recording and live streaming. If you have any questions or comments, by all means, please feel free to drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. You can also check out one of these videos over here, as I'm sure one of them may interest you as well. I have been covering a lot of different content creator gear products, and they might be helpful for you in finding some gear for yourself. Until the next time, I hope you have a great day or evening, depending on where you are in the world, and we'll see you in the next episode.